Shenzhou Precision Manufacturing was founded in 1973. For 50 years, Shenzhou Company continues to transcend itself. In addition to upgrading production capacity, as the precision manufacturing requirements are continuously improved, Shenzhou Company introduced digital upgrade of its dimension inspection capacity together with Shining 3D. With FreeScan UE Pro of Shining 3D, the complete 3D data of tank heads is obtained. By comparing with design data, accurate inspection results can be obtained intuitively and quickly. Both efficiency and accuracy are greatly improved for large-size tank heads with a diameter of 5 to 6 meters. After the upgrade, a new generation of built-in photogrammetry, integrated by FreeScan UE Pro, can easily and accurately control overall molding dimensions of tank heads.
As a professional tank heads making company, we started phase 2 of the project construction from 2019. We continue to dig into users' needs. We have gradually sorted out the business lines of high-end products for multiple industries. This year, our company introduced Shining 3D Digital 3D Scanning Inspection Solution. Compared with traditional inspection methods, in the same scenario, the labor hours are reduced by 30%, materials costs are reduced by 50%, while the inspection efficiency is improved by 80%. The new inspection method has laid a solid foundation for the full process digitalization of tank heads, and also helped set an example for the transformation from traditional manufacturing to advanced manufacturing.
High-precision 3D scanning technology brings high 3D inspection capacities for Shenzhou Company. We wish Shenzhou Company a bright future.